Hi family and friends, we are going to do a different patriotic wreath and we're going to use clothespins, but we're going to paint the clothespins red, white, and blue. I got these from...
No, just let me do, yeah.
Okay, I got these from the dollar store and they were $1.25 for 36. And then I got this at Walmart. It was like $4.99. So we're just going to get painting and knock this out. It shouldn't take long at all. Hello family and friends, I get to have the girls with me again, and today we are working on a 4th of July wreath that is going to be made from clothespins. And I showed you painting them. I painted them red, white, and blue, of course, and I kept them on there, little cardboard clips. It makes it easier just instead of doing it individually, you can do it from scratch. But Wendy is going to put the clothespins on the wreath, and I'm going to make a bow. And the only thing we needed, the only supplies, were these stars. I got a whole container full of them. They're red, white, and blue. I got these last year. I don't remember where, and I don't remember how much they were, but I'm sure I got them for at least half off. Maybe at Michael's might have been a place I got it. And then this... again, I bought this last year and didn't use it, and again, I'm sure it was probably half off. So
Everything's half off.
I don't pay full price for anything unless it's at the dollar store, because most everything is $1. Well, now $1.25. Anyway, so the only thing we need is the wreath form, and this I believe is a 14-inch. Again, from the dollar store. The clothespins, which I got from the dollar store, they were 36 for $1.25. You can get them at Walmart for $1.44 for 50, which comes out to about the same 3 cents each. I mean, can't beat that. We're going to try the ribbon. We don't know if we're going to use it or not. We are going to use the white stars and then a glue gun for the stars. So Wendy's going to take care of the wreath. I'm going to make a bow, and Toby's going to record.
Sticking these on here and making sure the little line, this crease in the clothespin, all matches all the way around. So that's all I'm doing.
No glue stick because she refuses to use them.
Don't like glue. Hot glue.
So all she's doing is clamping them on. And the bow, I just loop, gather, and twist. Loop, gather, and twist. And that always keeps the right side on the outside. You don't want the plain side to be on the outside. So, gather.
I'm going to sneak in here, help Wendy with some of these.
Gather.
So take some of these off.
So now I'm to the white. I just did the 2 sections of blue.
Oh.
Right, so there's sections in here. Here's one, and here's another one right here. So you do the 2 sections of blue, because this is where the stars are supposed to go, right?
Right.
So now we're going to do
So this was
white.
left over.
Sorry, I was doing the wrong color.
That's okay.
I was helping you.
Do you want to help tack these suckers on?
Good job, honey.
Nice.
Well, both you girls did that. Okay, so
Put the stars on first.
Yep.
Whoa.
So the stars only go on the blue, and you can get creative, and you can have it coming off a little. You can glue them smack dab in wherever you want.
Okay.
I think 7 is perfect.
Okay.
There you
7 seems to be the number today.
Come in with the little ones.
Could try it.
Actually, I'm going to keep this and put the stars, we don't need this back in it.
Well, that's okay.
Sorry.
We're getting elbowy today. Let's see what these little guys look like. Yay, Wendy? Nay?
I don't know. What do you think? Maybe too much.
Too many stars?
Yeah. Maybe too much.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Too many? How's the star placement look, Wendy?
Looks good.
Look! What's that show? It's Romper Room. Look, Toby's here today in the show, and then we have Lonnie in the show.
And I'll bet half the people don't know what she's talking about.
You have to be old enough to know what that show is.
The magic mirror.
Yes, we have the 4th of July magic mirror. Okay, folks, what do you think? Comment below. Bow, no bow, right side, left side, no side.
You know, I do kind of like it without the bow.
Well, us 3 agree with no bow, so.
All right. So, happy patriotic whatever celebration you're going to make this for, or Memorial Day, or Flag Day, or whatever. So, until next time,
Make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye!